Alright, here's a quick video on how to create that shape you were working with. Over here on the bottom left in the tools panel, I'm going to grab the rectangle tool. Alright, it's going to be this one right here at the top of the stack. Alright, now that I have it activated, I'm just going to do a click and drag to draw out my rectangle, and when I release, the properties panel appears. Alright, if your properties panel doesn't come out, just go into the window menu, scroll through and find properties. Alright, so over here in the properties panel, I'm going to turn off this fill, set it to none, or you can choose whichever other color you want from this grid here. Alright, next for stroke, I'm going to go with black stroke, and we're going to increase that stroke. There we go. Now, I'd also like to round off these corners here, so I'm just going to come over here towards the bottom, click and drag, then release. Alright, if you notice, I have the rounded corners on the exterior but not in the interior. Alright, so that's going to have to make a change on how I align my stroke. Alright, so over here back in the properties panel, I'm going to set it to center, and that's going to round things off for me. Alright, so hope that helps.